Hey everybody, thank you for watching. I am, yes you know it, the Bento Buster. Today we are doing Coca Cola spare ribs. You do not need a Grill Master certificate to cook these ribs. They are that darn easy. And as an added bonus, I'm teaching you the Bento Buster dry rub. Just stay watching. You'll be needing these ingredients. And you may notice that I've added some cocoa and coffee powder to the dry rub. The bittersweetness of the rub cuts through the meaty flavors and really balances the dish. Give the ingredients a good shake and mix them up well. Next, coat the ribs with the rub. And massage it into all those nooks and crannies, making sure you don't miss a spot. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Now let's cover the ribs. If you have aluminum foil, go ahead and use that. However, I'll be using these handy oven bags that I picked up in New Zealand. Now it's time to add the cola. Pour it all over and let it soak in. Now remove the air and seal that bag. Whether you choose to use aluminum foil or an oven bag, you have to make sure that it's airtight. We don't want to lose any of that goodness. Now put the ribs in the oven for 2 hours. And at the halfway point, turn them over and continue to bake, because we want those bad boys covered from head to toe. And at the 2-hour mark, slice that bag open and let's see what we got. So far so good, because all I can see are some juicy, chubby ribs. The cocoa and coffee have really helped enhance that color. And the aroma, it's phenomenal. Next, take them out and baste them with your favorite barbecue sauce. I'm using Tony Roma's Carolina Honeys, but feel free to use any sauce that you like. Finally, I'll put the ribs under the broiler just to give them a little char and to caramelize that sauce. Congratulations, we're all done. And trust me, it was well worth the wait. Coca Cola spare ribs are juicy and succulent and full of flavor. Just look at that meat falling off the bone. Now all we have to do is plate them up and get stuck in. But before that, let's take a moment to check these babies out, because they are definitely checking all the boxes. As you can see, they're just oozing with shiny and sticky goodness. Now you don't need a backyard barbecue pit to make these full off the bone ribs. You can make them in your own oven. And I want to see how they taste. They are fantastic. Heaven on a bone. These spare ribs only take a couple hours to make, and trust me, they are the real deal. Enjoy, people, and see you next time. I am the Bento Buster.